Napakaganda dito sa Surecon Resort, Lipa, Batangas. Nandun yung room namin sa taas. Kitang-kita ang swimming pool. Marami daw itong swimming pool, sabi ni Ate Pensri Farol. Hi, Annie.
Hello.
What did you order?
Black coffee.
I'll just have pineapple juice.
They have only those.
Tanong ko lang po ma'am sa restaurant kung may pineapple.
Oh, you have Gatorade. It's okay na. Yes, it's okay. Gatorade red.
And ice. For your
Salamat,
favorite.
my love.
Okay.
It's our first time here in your resort. Yes. Ang ganda. Babalik kami dito ni my love. Ate, yan yung ano? Taal Volcano? Taal Lake, no?
Lake po.
Oo.
Tagal kayo pwede po sa may
Sa kabila. Oo. So this is the Taal Lake.
You guys have access to the lake.
Taal Lake.
There's a city there. Downtown Leeds City.
Beautiful.